Yinghe Large Format Printer Unboxing, Installation, Testing and Review. Model, YH1800H. Printing speed is 13.5 square meters. Voltage at AC 220V/50-60 HC. Maximum printing width at 1800 mm, ink color, CMYK. Ink type, eco-solvent ink, sublimation ink, water-based dye ink. Ink supply system, continuous ink supply system. Printing media, water-based media PP self-adhesive vinyl, backlit film, photo paper, movable PP self-adhesive vinyl, photo cloth, heat transfer paper, etc. Printing media, oily-based media flex banner, tarpaulin, canvas, SAB sticker, reflective film, one-way vision, leather, wallpaper, lamination film, etc. Printing resolution, DPI 1440 DPI. Media feeder, yes. Auto media take-up system, equipped. Picture drying system, fan drying system, infrared heating. Media absorption, multi-section intelligent suction system with adjustable strength. RIP software, Maintop, PhotoPrint. Operating system, WinXP/7/10. Package size, 2.9 x 0.75 x 0.64 m. Print head, single Epson XP600. Do we recommend this printer? Yes and no. Yes for pricing and simple design and operation. No for stability and RIP connectivity issue. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.